And welcome back. Interest rates have been inching up this year and are now at 4.9% for a 30-year mortgage. So joining us live this afternoon, we're joined by Kel Svoboda, a board member of the Greater Milwaukee Association of Realtors. Okay, the rates are going up. What does this mean, Kel, for home buyers?
Well, keep in mind, home buyers should understand that we are coming off historic lows in interest rates.
Right.
I think as we talked about before in the 1980s, I mean, they were roughly 14, 16% when you were buying a property.
Double digit.
But that does affect the purchasing power for a potential home buyer. So if they are thinking about buying, I would tell them, don't wait. Time to act now.
Time is now.
Absolutely. And what they should do is jump on this and talk to a mortgage professional and see what they qualify for.
So when you say talk to a mortgage professional, there's a lot of products out there. There's 15, 30. Did they get rid of the 40s? Do they still have 40-year loans?
It's a great question, and that's why talking to a mortgage professional and seeing what products, because every professional is going to have different lender products. We still have first-time homebuyer programs out there. A lot of banks, they do these educational programs, which sometimes they offer them an incentive for going. But then you still have the FHA products, as well as for military and veterans, you have the VA loans, and then there still are 100% financing programs out there for them.
So what is the increase? What's the impact then on the home buyer?
Well, as far as the impact now, it does affect their purchasing power as it stands currently.
Okay.
But as you sit right now, when you talk to a mortgage professional, deciding where you sit financially will help with that.
So, because if you were in the $200,000 market or the $100,000 market, as rates go up, your purchase power goes down?
Absolutely, and as I'm sure as you talk to people, the rates are rising. They do have to understand that when they talk to a professional, it might only be a $30 to $40 difference in their payment,
right,
but that does affect the purchasing power.
It certainly does. So when you look at it all, what advice do you give for people who right now are looking to purchase that house? It's getting towards the end of the year. What's the best advice?
Best advice I would do is if you have overlooked a property that you were thinking about buying before, you might want to come back to your top 10 list, and maybe you're not going to get a 10 out of 10, but maybe you'll get 7 out of 10. And you might find something that you're willing to forego that you weren't before.
And hopefully you have some painting skills or some rebuilding
Absolutely.
skills.
So talk to a mortgage professional and get with your realtor and start going with it today.
All right, Kel. Always appreciate you here.